Welcome to the National Weather Service weather briefing for the week of October 23rd, 2014. This briefing is brought to you by the National Weather Service in Riverton. Well, let's take a look at the week ahead with a quick glance here. Friday and Saturday looks to be the warmest days not only of the next 7 days, but possibly for the rest of the year. Looks very nice Friday and Saturday. Sunday we'll see a cold front move into the west, start to produce some rain and snow over there. Well, it will be windy out ahead of that system and across eastern Wyoming. On Monday, the system moves across the state. We'll see much cooler temperatures, even below normal for Monday. And then Tuesday through Thursday, a gradual warming trend. If you look over here at the graph, we can see that temperatures dramatically decrease as we head through the rest of the weekend. And into next week, we'll get a slight rebound. Normal temperatures are in the mid to upper 40s across the west and the lower to mid 50s east of the divide. So a more detailed look, if we took a look at Friday and Saturday here, our high pressure ridge sitting down over West Texas here. These purple colors indicating where the warmest air will be, and these purple lines, the wind speed aloft usually runs parallel to those lines. So we'll see a low pressure system off the west coast, high pressure holding strong across West Texas. That keeps a warm southwest flow across Wyoming Friday and Saturday. Temperatures generally 10 to 20 degrees above normal. And again, we will see some winds that increase from Rock Springs to Casper on Saturday afternoon. As we head towards Sunday, the low pressure systems that were off the west coast will take shape over the Pacific Northwest and then dive southeast across Montana and Wyoming, and we'll see an increase in precipitation. That's where we see these lightly shaded blue and purple colors back here, indicating where we expect to see some precipitation by the time we get to Monday morning. Again, that rain and snow will increase west of the Continental Divide Sunday morning through the day Sunday, and then as we get in towards Monday morning, we'll have a cold front that dives south across Wyoming. That increases the chance of rain and snow east of the Continental Divide, and temperatures by Monday will be down into the 40s. For Tuesday through Thursday, we kind of keep a west to northwest flow across Wyoming. That favors precipitation across the western mountains and the Bighorn Range. Probably at least Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday looks like this ridge that's off the west coast will gradually push inland, possibly start to move this colder air and the precipitation east of the state. So Thursday looks to be the better of those 3 days. Throughout the period could be a little breezy, especially in those areas that favor northwest flow, like Riverton, Grable, perhaps Buffalo. We'll have to see how that pans out. The 8 to 14 day outlook and your peak at Halloween, right now at least trending at least a little bit towards the above normal end of the spectrum, while maybe a little bit above average. I think that is primarily because of the continued chance of precipitation across the western and northern mountains. Otherwise, it looks fairly dry as we head through Halloween and into the weekend following that. Don't forget, by the way, to set your clocks back that weekend. But right now, at least, Halloween's looking like it could be at least average or maybe a little above average for temperatures with dry conditions. We'll see again how that plays out over the next week, but right now that's the preliminary look. We thank you for joining us this week. If you have any questions, you can call us anytime, and again, find us on Facebook or on Twitter. Thank you for joining us.